Hello students, today we'll talk about group behavior. तो group behavior है क्या? In the context of human behavior, the study of group is called included. Okay, study of group also included. Group is an important part of human life. An organization is not merely a collection of individuals who work together to achieve their goals. Rather, they behave as members of various groups, which helps to shape their work behaviors and attitude towards the organization and the job. In a group, different people live together and are dependent on one another to attain the set objectives and goals of the organization. है ना, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किस लिए बना? कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट किए गए हैं उनको अचीव करने के लिए. Then groups may be in the form of formal and informal structure. Groups have special importance in the organization. In modern times, intricacy has occupied place in all the jobs. Some persons viewed that we can remove this intricacy through groups. In this way, we can say that group work and behavior affect इंडिविजुअल बिहेवियर. ओके, तो हम कह रहे हैं पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, जब पूरे ग्रुप का जो काम है या बिहेवियर है अफेक्ट करेगा एक इंडिविजुअल के बिहेवियर को. द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, वैल्यूज़ एंड कल्चर ऑल्सो अफेक्ट इंडिविजुअल बिहेवियर. द ग्रुप्स आर एसेंशियल फॉर द फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So it is important to build groups in the organization, and it is must to study and analyze groups. It is also important to know the factors which affect groups' importance as well as specialization, principles of group formation and group performance. Then meaning, group क्या है? Is a cluster of two or more individuals who interact with each other. Group is a unit where every individual shares certain common activities, interest, values and goals. ओके, एक यूनिट है जिसमें कि सभी मिलके काम कर रहे हैं. People come closer to one another. In groups, individuals are psychologically aware of one another and perceive themselves to be a group. By the behavior of an individual in a group, we can intimate his desires and actions. In a group members behave in a manner to attract other people in group. ठीक है, मतलब एक दूसरे के काम से, एक दूसरे के बिहेवियर से प्रभावित हो रहे हैं और कर भी रहे हैं. ठीक है. Then the group members have common objectives, norms, determination and behavior. On the individual basis, the behavior of group member is different. वैसे इंडिविजुअल सब अलग अलग बिहेव कर रहे हैं, बट अब अगर एक ही गोल को अचीव करने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं सब, तो काम करने का तरीका कहीं ना कहीं सिमिलर होगा, बट विद डिफ्रेंशिएशन, क्योंकि बिहेव तो सब अलग अलग करेंगे ना. एक ही सिचुएशन में अलग तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं, सेम भी कर सकते हैं. चलो कुछ डेफिनेशंस करते हैं. Theorists have given numerous varied and overlapping definitions of a group. This is because of the crucial aspect of group behavior. There may be four definitional approaches. First is in terms of perception. ये अप्रोच क्या कहती है? If individuals see themselves as group, then a group exists. This view proposes that members perceive their relationships to others to be considered as a group. Then in terms of organization, sociologists view the group primarily in terms of structural relationship and organizational characteristics. This approach emphasizes some of the important features of groups, such as role relationships, norms, and organized system. Next one is in terms of motivation. A group must satisfy the needs of its member to be viable and to exist. However, it is difficult to identify clearly what facets of the work are what facets of the work are rewarding to individuals. तो डिफ़िकल्ट है आइडेंटिफाई करना ना. Hence, this point out the shortcoming of defining a group with motivational angle. Next one is in terms of interpersonal interaction. Finally, a group can be viewed with regard to interpersonal interaction, the degree to which members communicate and interact with one another over times. This view assumes that interaction is the core of grouping. ओके मतलब कम्युनिकेशन ज़रूरी है, बहुत इंटरेक्शन ज़रूरी है. अगर हम ग्रुप की बात कर रहे हैं तो ग्रुप में इंडिविजुअल आपस में इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, या हम यहाँ कह रहे हैं कि संदेशवाहन, संचार. ठीक है. देन वन सच डेफिनेशन फॉलोज a set of more than two individuals working interdependently and interacting with each other on regular basis to perform a task for attaining a common goal or objective. ओके तो ये सारा हमने गोल को ग्रुप को डिफाइन कर दिया. नेक्स्ट हम नेचर करेंगे. थैंक यू.